In this video, I am going to teach you the high win rate scalping strategy that is very famous among the traders who have actually the knowledge about this strategy. So before I start this video, if you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button because a lot of useful content is going to be uploaded on the YouTube channel. And if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video below. So we are going to use three indicators in this strategy. The first indicator that we are going to use is FX Sniper, and this is T3 CCI copy strategy. Okay, so if you write FX Sniper, then it will come on your screen that T3 with the copy strategy by H Potter, and you can see that 3,958 traders are using this strategy, and you can see it is attached on my screen. Okay. Now the second indicator that I am going to use in this strategy will be the ATR stop loss finder by VeryFit. Okay, 1775 traders are using it. So ATR stop loss finder, and then if I look at here, it basically has a look like this. Now first let's do the settings inside the ATR finder because we will not make any change into the T3 CCI. However, we will make some sort of change here. So here you can see that we have some options. So we will uncheck the tables. From here we will also uncheck the labels on price scale, and we will also uncheck the values in status line, right? Okay, now I'm going to the input section, and inside the input section you can see we have multiple options like length, smoothing, multiplier, SRC and SR2. However, we will make a change only in the one section that is called multiplier, and this is 1.5, so we will basically change it to 0.88, right? Okay, now we do not need any further change into the ATR, and then we are going to attach our third indicator, and that is called the moving average exponential, right? Without any author name, this is by default given in the trading view. Okay, now I'm going to the settings of the moving average exponential, and if I go to the settings, then you can see I have by default the length into the 9, and what I'm going to use, I'm going to choose it with the 200 period, and going into the style section, so what I will give it a white color so that it should look prominent on my screen, right? Okay, so now let's talk about the time frame, market, and then we will discuss about the entry rules. So the first thing, time frame. So you can use this strategy on 5 minutes for scalping. You can also try 1 minute. This is also good. 3 minutes is good. However, if you want to get the best scalping results, then the 5 minute is the best time frame. However, if you are a day trader, you can use it on 15 minutes, also on 30 minutes and the 1 hour time frame. So it means that this strategy is not limited only to scalping. You can also do the day trading as well with this strategy. Okay, now let's talk about our entry rules. So why we have set up the exponential moving average? It's a simple answer. If the candles are below the exponential moving average, it means that you are into the downtrend, and when you can see that the candles are coming above the exponential moving average, it means that you are coming into the upward trend, right? So what is the entry rule? So for example, let's talk about the latest picture that is going on gold 5 minute chart. We will basically consider the T3 CCI indicator as a signal indicator. So it has turned into the green color, and you can see it is above the 0 bar. Okay, 0 level, you can see it's above the 0 level, and it changed the green color. So once it changes its color, we will confirm the second thing from the exponential moving average, that either the candles are above the particular exponential moving average or not. Yes, it is going to fulfill this condition here, because if you see the candle is closed successfully above the 200 exponential moving average, which means that this signal is valid. Okay, now what I am going to do here is this, that I'm going to take a long position. I will set up the I will take a trade from here. Okay, so I will be setting up my stop loss just below the 200 EMA, or you can also set up a stop loss at the ATR value that we have in the in our ratio. You can see here ATR values are here. If you look at here, then you can see the ATR is here, so you can set up a stop loss up to the ATR line. Okay, then you can target something like 1.5. This is the recommended on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so somehow this is the recommended, and if you look at here, so overall the market has easily hit your 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, now I'm going to the Euro USD chart. Now look at the Euro USD, same thing, buy signal, the candle closes above the 200 EMA, and then you can see when the candle closes above the 200 EMA, simply it went into the upward direction and there was a no downward sign. So you can set up a tight stop loss in that case. Let's take an example on USD CHF and let's reverse the scenario. Sell signal from the T3 CCI indicator. The candle successfully closed below the 200 EMA. You can set up a stop loss just above the 200 period EMA, and then you can see how much you have targeted on this trade. If you look at here, it has given you already 3.67, which is a very excellent risk to reward ratio, right? Let's test it on other pairs. Overall, USD JPY was in a ranging pattern. I particularly never suggest any subscriber to trade such pairs which are slow on a particular day. However, you can see on USD CAD, same thing. Sell signal, it closes below the 200 EMA. You can set up a stop loss according to the ATR lines for the sell, and you can see a successful trade. Even go to AUD JPY, you can see closed above the 200 EMA. However, if you have set up a stop loss at the ATR levels, then you can see later on the market pumped up. So it means that practically by looking at this indicator and by testing this, you can come to the conclusion that this is the high win rate scalping strategy, and also you can use this strategy into the day trading. So guys, what do you think about this trading setup? Please let me know into the comment section. Please moreover subscribe the FX Mentor US YouTube channel, like our videos and share these videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.